Okay, so I'm making banana bread today. The first thing you're gonna need to do is start preheating your oven. 350 or 180 degrees Celsius for you international fans. Okay, now we wash our hands.
How many seconds?
15. I'm not gonna put walnuts or pecans in there. I'm just gonna do pure. So, first things first, we're gonna get our large mixing bowl out. We so in that. Get out your flour and your cup. Quarter cup. I just use all-purpose flour for this. So 1 3/4 cup of flour. Get a butter knife. Stay safe when you're cooking, kids. Use the back of the knife. Keep them right there. I don't be needing that anymore. So we're gonna do our dry ingredients first, because you know it's just how you do it. Get your white table sugar. You 3/4 of a cup of granulated white table sugar. Okay. So now we're gonna get the other powders, other white powders again. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Oh, please. We'll have a thing in the corner if you're trying to get in. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Have you ever had a baking soda sandwich?
No, what's that?
Take 2 pieces of bread, put some baking soda on one side, put some ketchup on the other. You got a baking soda sandwich. Keep that. Throw that back in there. Oh. It says 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Does that mean kosher salt?
It means salt. Kosher salt. It's just thicker cheese. Thicker flakes. Break into the salt shaker.
Salt's very important for you new bakers. It doesn't make it salty, it just gives it flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon. So we're gonna do 2 of these, 1/4 teaspoon.
Alright, a steady cam. Not gonna work.
Okay, so that's all the large ingredients, so we're gonna mix that up.
You're not gonna use a spoon?
Maybe with a wooden spoon. And then you have to taste it.
Of course, this is a little baking ritual.
It's gotta be sweet. Then you got the little zip from the baking soda. It's quite good. Time to get into wet ingredients. 2 large eggs lightly beaten. We can't say the name of this company. They're Fry and Tries. They're large and white.
Very and dry.
They're not that expensive. Oh no, this is a crack. Hashtag Fry and Tries. We're not gonna use this one.
Do you think anybody's ever used the hashtag?
No.
Nice.
It's gonna stank in a couple of days. Jeez, half a cup of butter melted. We'll do
just
that.
once.
We'll put that last because that can be hard to solidify again. 3 ripe bananas. Oh, Jillian. Some sort of fish juice. Okay, so once you got those things all crushed up, stuff it in there. Okay, we need a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Not none of that 50% stuff.
Oh, perfect.
We gotta get a stick of butter. That might not be too good for you, Finn. Oh, God. This is melted enough. See how much it don't accept pressure? Stamp that bad boy in. So this is your banana bread batter. Did I miss a step? Nope. Take your Pyrex. Then you take your off-brand pan. Just give it a nice coating. So it comes out with a fight. Open the oven. And we're gonna put it in. Oh man, it's looking good, even though that catastrophe happened. Let's see, does anything stick to it? A little, but that's just normal. I'm gonna pull it out. That's what it should look like. Maybe a little more puffed up, but that's what I got because the power went out. Let's taste it. Good stuff, Maynard.